Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, this is me Rani Ruben. Thank you so much for your great support that you're all watching my videos and supporting me. Friends, today I have an you know it's powerful theme that is family. So a family is the first and most important a priority in our life, in everybody's life, because we cannot compare other priorities like a job priority uh, or anything like finances or education, anything, whatever we cannot compare those priorities with our family. Our family is always our family. We cannot compromise and we cannot give up, because the family is plays a very major role in everybody's life. See, in the morning when we are starting our day, we are just leaving from our house, we're just running to the office, we are running to school, kids are running to school, even a bird is going out from the nest looking for a food. So likewise, if you are checking it, as the day ends, see, everybody has to go back to house, because there is someone is waiting for us. There is house is us. We have to go back to our house. Kids, they want to go back to our go back to their house. They have their favorite program supposed to start, and they have their mommy. She will cook yummy snacks for kids. So like that. There's a lot of reasons why we are staying as a family. We have a children, we have to stay as a family. Especially when a person who married and having a children, that is called as a family. See, in a family normally there will be like a dad, mom, and the in-laws, children, and the siblings, the list goes on. In our ancient time, there is lot of like 8 to 25 peoples of one family. So we need to recognize everyone with a surname, only one surname. So it was really like a superb when we recognize 25 to 30 people. It will be like a 4 to 5 generations family peoples are there in one family. But now there's lot of changes, lot of difference. See, in my grandma, she was like a fifth generation who was staying in our house. Unfortunately, she passed away. So, but in nowadays, we only see like a daddy and son and their children, like 2 to 3 generation, because we are lost lot of our focus on our health, food system, and then our life routine, our culture, fast moving culture, lot more reasons. So here today is a special day where everyone has to remember and celebrate it, because even in the midst of COVID, so that's a good thing to say thanks to God, that is our family. We are staying as a family. When we get up in the morning, when we wake up in the morning, the first thing we need to say thanks to God that we are alive and we are seeing as a family, and we are eating breakfast as a family. That's a blessing we are still claimed. So friends, today is globally everyone is celebrating a family day. So please, if you are not celebrating, please at least have one day for the family, like dedicate one day for your family, please. And then no friends, unfortunately I was not able to post this video on the same day, because I had lot of tasks to be done, and even we had a small outing as well. So I got held up with family and we were super busy, and I was not able to post. I'm really sorry for that. So friends, I want to really encourage you all, please, if you are staying as a family, please celebrate any one day, choose as per your as per your requirement, as per your free, like how you will get the days, like that you can choose one day and to celebrate as a family day. Because you have to do best for your children. You have to give up best family values for your children. And you know what, you are the best in your family. Think that you are the best in your family, you have to celebrate it. Everyone is best in your family, and your contribution in the family is so high. And you can't give up, because if you are a father, you will be going out to work. And nowadays even the mothers, they are also going out, they are also focusing in the house, outside as well as. So it is like no, everyone is working hard for the family to run, the family to stay together. And there's a lot of sacrifices for the family. In every day everyone is doing. It's not one day 2 days, everyone is doing, because everyone is very busy. Morning they have to go to the work, evening they have to come back and then cook and then serve the food for family. So likewise the list goes on, whatever you're doing, the big list goes on. But I want to say now, please stop for the day and encourage yourself that your family is a special family, where you are building your children for the next generation. So friends, please take a moment, say thanks to each other, and celebrate it. The celebration is the big event in the family. So when you celebrate for your family, it is a more joyful happiness, like it's a more joyful. So it is like a making you all strong, connecting with each other. It's a family event, and then everyone is happy in the family. So just wear a party dresses and then cook yummy, or if you want to get food from outside, get some healthy, and then put some music, keep dancing, like give some good happiest moments for your children. That family means like a happy day. So in this right now most of us are forgetting this family day. So friends, because see, a bird is started in the morning looking for the food, end of the day it is coming back to his nest. Because likewise we are also coming back. There is a person who is waiting for us. There's a person who is prepared dinner and keeping ready for us, who is waiting from morning till until you come back. So you need to respect. In a family, when we respect each other, when we love each other, when we connect to each other, in real, when we connect with everyone in real, it is a more strong bonding that we are building. Friends, especially for kids, if they are dreaming about small things, if they are small, they will dream about small. Just give the wings for them, and give the family values, like being a kindness, just spending time with them, sitting with them for their homework. It's not only mommy has to sit, it's not only daddy has to come and sit, he has to come from work and he has to sit. No, don't make like that. When other person is busy, one person can sit with the kids to do homework. When you do this as a family, so that is what you are showing your kids, that you will not give up. You are doing it every day. You are not giving up. So when you do this more important in your life with your children, so that is the biggest positive impact is happening in your children life. When they grow tall, when they are going to other houses, when they are stepping into someone's life, they will not give up. Because we can hear a lot of divorce cases and breakups. Your children's, like our children's, are not ready to adjust with other person, because the understanding characters are not built up in the family. So that is very important, friends. If you can check in your old, like your dad's dad, like grandpa, your grandpas or mamas, your great grandmothers, those days, there was like 15 to 20, even sometimes more than 20 people are belongs to one family, and they all are staying in one house. Imagine the understanding level what they had before, right? when they can do, when you're like, when my mommy can do, when my daddy can do that understanding, when he can survive with a great understanding with his family, definitely I can do better than my daddy. Because see, it is a blessing, because when I am getting a child to this earth, to my family, I'm getting more blessings for my child, because I'm delivering it with all my energy, with all my happiness, with all my prosperity, with all my, we have to teach them, that's all. See, there is lot of very good qualities you're giving to your baby. When baby is in the womb, it's not only baby is taking your blood, it's not only your baby is taking your food, it's not only baby is growing with your flesh. No, you are giving your more emotions, more love, a more disciplined life. There's a lot more, the list goes on. If we check it properly, the list goes on. So friends, when a family, in the family, if your children's is not able to understand you better, then it is very difficult for them to understand if they step into other family as well. So friends, all these values, this humanity values, kindness, loving each other, respecting each other, understanding each other, and not giving up is very important. So those values you have to start feeding your children on day to day basis. That is a family. Because when you gave this kind of more values in your family for your children, they are the next generation. That is how we can build very good generation. you know a family, a good families are very important for the nation. That's how the country becomes very good, right? So friends, so in a families, especially in my family, like right now, like me, my husband, my two kids, and right now we both are like, we four of us are staying together. So we definitely argue with each other, we fight with each other. Sometimes kids used to fight with their father. Like my husband, they used to fight. They will sometimes whatever I am disciplining the child, it is not matching with her father. It's like that. Whatever, like we fight, we argue, we cry, we get lot of misunderstandings. And then our thoughts are not equal, it is not same. The way a mother thinks, the way father thinks are both different. Likewise, the way a one child thinks, the way other child thinks, it's different. But together we have to stay as a family. When we stay as a family, when we overcome like all these fightings, argument, and then emotions, angry, even sometimes we don't even talk for a day, but still we are a family. So it's not only we are taking daddy's name or mommy's name, it is we are taking our life, our family into the next level. So please friend, so through this video I want to wish all the families happy family day. And important, like please don't give up that the values you carried in your life. It's not only that you were studied in your school life. No, just bring those values, what you learned, just start implementing in your life, and teach same things to your children. So that teach that very important, like family values, like family values. I told you so many things. And then likewise, like you can teach them very good discipline, like not to give up. And nowadays many of our children's, like if they're not interested, they will give up. And if they don't want to learn, they will give up. If they're not interested, they will give up. Don't make them like a family is a interesting, like having family is a big prosperity in the life. Having a understanding family is a big blessing. So please give them those importance in children's life, so that it will make them to stay very strong. And they it is a great foundation we can give to our children's life, so that when they step into somebody's life, they will not give up. even though they are facing the misunderstanding problems and whatever the issues they are going through, and they know how to handle it, and they will solve it by themselves. Friends, a family is where we learn each other. It's mommy's life is a family. In the family means like a mommy's life, daddy's life, two children's, three children's life, in-laws life, father-in-law's life, everyone's mix of life. So we all are coming together. So that's what I want to encourage you all. Just take a moment and remember those everything whatever you learned from your parents. Just recollect it. And it's been long time they didn't teach, or you might be busy with your working schedule, or you're busy with your responsibilities. Just sit for a while, think about it, what your best you're giving to your children. It's not only taking them for outside, it's not only taking them to restaurant, it's not only giving them best surprises. So doing all this is just a 50%, but giving them more courage, teaching them about family values, teaching them about not to give up in the family, teaching them about this understanding level to increase. So teaching them about respecting each other, teaching the kids about love each other. So teaching them about to see equally. If both mummies and daddies, you have a responsibilities, I know, but take a time to teach small small things for your children. That is a family. If you are doing it, I really say thanks to you. You're doing really awesome job. And if you're not doing it, please start it now. The family is very important, the children are very important. They are the next generation. So thank you so much for listening this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like the video, share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. So see you again in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.